A smart visual in Power BI dashboard can convey much more than what appears in the first glance. For instance, this visual just shows the median budget for the movies made in different languages and nothing more. Even the tooltips convey the information which is already displayed, the language and the budget of movies for that language. But it can also display the average runtime for the movies, average popularity scores, and minimum and maximum budget for a language. How do we create such a tooltip? It's simple to do so. Let's take a look. There are two ways to display additional data in tooltips. Let's look at a simple method before we recreate the tooltips that I just showed you. To add more data in tooltip, select the visual, and under the build section, you will see the option to add more data to tooltips. I'm going to add the field popularity here. By default, it shows the sum. Let's change it to average. Now as I bring the mouse over the columns, it also displays the average popularity score. This is the easier method, and if your purpose is served with this, then nothing else needs to be done. However, if you want to show data including different visuals, then you can create a custom tooltip. Let's take a look at the steps. Click on the plus sign to create a new page. In the canvas setting, select the type as tooltip. Now let's add whatever details we need to create. I'm going to first add a card which will display the average runtime of the movies. Add a card, bring the runtime field and set the summarization to average. Format it a little. Now I'm going to copy the card and display the average popularity. Create another copy and display the maximum budget. And finally the last card that will display the minimum budget. Give the name to this page. I'm going to call it TT or short for tooltip, and right click on the page name and say hide. The hide does not hide the page like Excel, but it will not display the page in the menu when we publish the dashboard. Now on page 1, I will select the visual. In the format, look for tooltip. Change the type from default to report page. Why report page? Because we've just created a report page and marked it as tooltip, and it shows me the page TT. Select it and that's it. As I bring my mouse over any of the columns, it displays the values for that particular language. This is the average runtime, average popularity, maximum and minimum budgets for movies made in this language. The values change as we move the mouse from one language to another. So this is how simple it is to create tooltips. I hope you found this useful. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.